Welcome students to the online class Standard 8th Subject Science. Lesson number 2, Health and Diseases. So student, let us see the topics that we are going to cover in this slide. The first one is AIDS and the second one is rabies. So let us see all this thing in detail. So student, the first topic which we are going to learn is AIDS. What is AIDS? So student, AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. In this disease, it has been caused by HIV. Now what do we mean by HIV? HIV is nothing but it is human immunodeficiency virus. Student, because of this HIV virus, a particular man or woman come into contact of AIDS. Okay, so student, in this disease victims suffer from various diseases, okay, due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Once a particular individual comes into contact of AIDS, it cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratories. Okay, so that is why ELISA is the test used to detect or used to diagnose the AIDS. So student, symptoms of AIDS are person specific. Means what? When the person come into contact of AIDS, so already his body is weak, so he is been caught by different types of other diseases. So student, always to remember that AIDS does not occur due to touching or sharing of food with HIV infected person or by nursing them. Okay, it's very safe by doing all this kind of thing. Our behavior towards HIV infected person should be normal, because HIV is not been spread by doing all this thing. HIV is been spread by blood transfusion, by sharing of needles. Okay, so student, according to the AIDS control program, HIV was first reported in an Africa species of monkey was the one because of whom this disease was spread primarily, and later on it came into contact with human beings. So student, the next topic which we are going to see is about rabies. Rabies is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, and etc. So what happened in this disease? Virus enter the brain via neuron. Okay, so student, in this disease hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms. Okay, in this case victim shows extreme fear for water. Now student, rabies is a fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Means what? Once the person is been bitten by some of these animals, so we have to immediately take the vaccination. If we'll delay in the time period of the vaccination, will be come into contact of this disease. Okay, so what are the time periods that starts or that appears to take the vaccination? It is between 19 to 175 days after biting of these animals, whether the person is been bitten by cat, dog, rabbit, monkeys, etc. So you have to immediately take the vaccination. Okay, so students, this all was about rabies. Let us see few of the symptoms of rabies that is been seen after coming into contact with this disease. So student, the person is having fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Okay, and there is exaggeration in behavior, and the third symptoms is that he is having hydrophobia, that is fear from water. Student, once the person is been bitten by these animals, he should be very careful by taking of this vaccination to avoid these symptoms. Thank you.